Raise your hand if this is your first time attending something like this. Love it, raise it high. Give yourself a round of applause. Yes, I always love to see mothers coming out, treating themselves to a little bit of time and information and networking. So I want to introduce you now to Heather Guerrero.
Yeah, I will, in full disclosure, share that this is my first type of event like this. I'm currently a regional director at a child development program, and so I'm super excited to be here with you guys today.
Did you all hear what Heather said? She said this is her first time doing something like this. So I need everybody on the count of 3 to say, "Go, Heather," and give her a round of applause. Can y'all do that for me? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go, Heather! Yes!
I would like to try to raise my baby multilingual. This is past 12 months, obviously, but so I've been trying to talk to the baby in multiple languages. What are your thoughts on that?
I feel like yes. Yeah. Babies' brains are actually able to distinguish between those languages.
Come to a Momcozy event, you are always gonna leave with a goodie bag. Bath bombs, so cute. And don't forget the wipes, because you can never have too much of this.
You get to choose what kind of parent you want to be. There's science, there's research, but just let that fill in the blanks for you. You still get to choose the kind of parent you want to be.
I'm so thankful that you all came, and give Momcozy a round of applause.
Momcozy, evolving for mom and cozy.